Hi, this is to show you how to do conditional formatting in Google Sheets so that when you click a checkbox, it turns a color for those of us that need that visual. So I've made a copy and I've deleted the student names just so I don't have to worry about any privacy issues and also so that you're not confused that I'm fooling around with your thing. So I'm going to assume that you're going to want the no show status to be red when it is clicked. So if it's clicked, it means it is true. So what I'm going to do is I go into the D, I click on this little tiny arrow that shows up here. I scroll down to conditional formatting. And if the text is true, I want it to turn bright red. Done. So those are your students who have not shown up. And then I'm going to pop through each one and quickly do that. That's how you do conditional formatting in Google Sheets with checkboxes.